We are here in beautiful Houston, Texas, here at Langley Alloys, and I heard they have some massive bar stock. And I don't know about you, but I gotta check this out. Come on. Whoa, you know these guys are specialists. Look at these materials they're working with. Check this out. So here we are, standing in the middle of over $10 million of bar stock that's eventually going to be used in a variety of oil and gas and aerospace applications. And when it comes to this bar stock, you can get as low as a ½ inch up to 16 inches. And look, we kind of match. And with 4 new saws, you know what that means. More capability to get you what you need and faster. So even though we've seen an entire facility of innovation and capability, in here is where the real magic happens. And the team at Langley is here working hard to make sure that you get what you need when you need it. Say so, let's not bug them. Wow, that was nothing short of incredible, and I cannot wait to tell you the entire story. Make sure you check out MTD CNC North America for the full take soon.